Hey there, Virgo. Welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. Hope you are doing good in your love life and overall in your life. Uh, we have to, we have or we should pray always for our life, whatever we need in our life. So, um, this is a reading for your love life situation for the month of November. This time, as you are seeing that I am doing in different spread. So. I have divided month of November in three uh, parts. First 10 days, middle 10 days, and last 10 days. So, as you are seeing that you have uh, the Queen of Wands for first 10 days, the Justice for middle 10 days, and last 10 days you have two of Wands and four of Wands. So, uh, underneath the deck, you are having the Death card, Seven of Cups, and Five of Cups, the Sun. So you are very much disappointed over your happiness, or you are very much confused. You want to end this situation, you want to balance your emotions, or you want balance in your love life. You want happiness, but you are very much disappointed over something. You think all is lost, but you are not seeing, you're not paying attention to on these two of cups. You have your soulmate here, but you are seeing what is lost. That's why you are lost your happiness and you are very much confused. But things are transforming in your love life. This confusion will end and something good will start in your love life. So, for the first 10 days of November, Virgos, you have the Queen of Wands. It can be your partner. Maybe you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This person will be on your mind for the first 10 days of November, from 1st to 10 November. So, this person will be prominent, or you will see your person as a charming personality. Your person can be any sign, but you are seeing them as a Queen of Wands. This person is charming and attractive toward you, or you are becoming charming and attractive toward others in first 10 days of November. But what clarified this Queen of Wands are the Hierophant, Five of Cups again, and the Four of Wands. So if you are married, this person, your partner, married partner, you are disappointing over something which is not stable in your love life or marriage life. So you are regretting over things which are lost, but you are having your partner still. You are having these two cups still. You are not paying attention towards your love partner's love, which is they are giving toward to you. You are not paying attention their love, their attentions, but you are paying attention over things which are lost, which your partner is not giving, cannot give to you in this marriage relationship. So you have to be paying attention to your partner, or you are, or it can be like that you are very much disappointed over the stability of this marriage relationship, or if it's not a marriage relationship, if you are in a love relationship with a fire sign, so you are very much disappointed. You want stability in this relationship, you want marriage commitment with this person, or this person want marriage commitment from you. So this person will be, and the disappointing over this lost, that you are not having the stable relationship with this person. This will be on your mind from first 10 days of November, or you are lost your stability, maybe. In the middle 10 days of November, you are having the Justice card. So whatever you lost here, you will get adjusted over these things in middle 10 days of November. Like what justice you will get, you will come out from this toxicity over which you are regretting and loss, crying over. Maybe you are separated from your partner, and you want stability, you want to get back with your partner, you want to come out from this toxicity, this unhealthy relationship. If you are separated from your partner, you want to come out successfully, and you will take a wise decision about regarding this relationship. This wise decision will give you justice in this relationship. This wise decision of yours, or maybe your partner, will give you and your partner a justice in this relationship. You will get the stability. Whatever justice you are wanted in this relationship, you are getting is it finally in month of November. So you will come out successfully, or it can be a travel plan with your partner. Sorry for the noise. So um you will be in a hermit mood, in your energy. In month of November, you will be in your energy, um, in the hermit mood. You will think wisely, with all pros and cons about this relationship. Why you are separated, why you are losing things in your relationship, why there is no stability with this person, with this fire sign in your relationship. So you will take a wise decision to come out from this toxicity, and you will get a justice, or you will be able to give a justice to your partner by taking a wise decision here. So in the last 10 days of November, you are having two of wands and four of wands. So finally you will make a decision in last 10 days in November, or in the in month of November you will make a decision. As I say that you will make a decision, you are here I'm seeing that you are making a decision here. So or this decision is will be for your stability here. You finally take a decision for your stability, or maybe if it's a house situation, you want to make a house for yourself. So you will be able to do this. So because you are very much abundant in finances, you are completing one cycle of your life, and you are starting something new. As I said that there is a transformation in your love life, something ending and something new will start. But uh, you have to learn the lessons here. But if you will not learn the lesson, this cycle will start again, which is disappoint you in your love life. If you are not taking a lessons, or if you take a lesson and move on, then this cycle will end and will not start again, and then some new cycle will start again. So you have to learn a lesson what universe want to learn from this cycle. To come out from this toxicity, you have to think what lesson you should learn, which will give you justice and can end this situation. So it is up to you. You have to learn the lesson to get this abundance, this stability in your love life. So learn the lesson and end this toxic cycle of your life, and ready to start something new. It's up to you. So but I'm seeing that definitely something, you will make a decision, you will end this cycle, or maybe definitely a travel plan. I'm seeing here that you are traveling somewhere, maybe overseas. You are going to travel with your partner. Maybe you are going to travel. So so there will be travel plans definitely, or maybe you have, or if you are getting a job, it's like you are financially very abundant here. I'm seeing that. Underneath the deck, you have the Empress and the High Priestess. So, if you will take a decision, you will become Empress. You will take charge of your life, but you are doing secretly. Things are hiding. Things are, you are getting intuitive, or maybe this is your person. Maybe you are having an intuitive person around you, and maybe in love life. So abundance, this Empress is the like abundance. You are having abundance in your life, It can be financial, it can be love, it can be emotional abundance, it can be stability of of your life, it can be very much energetic things coming toward you. So I'm seeing that something ending, travel moves, finances coming toward you. So your love life is going to stable in month of November, or you will start seeing things getting better, or definitely there is a travel uh, is on the uh, travel is on the page. So you will be travel maybe. So Virgo, this is your reading for the month of November 2020. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.